How to loop playback in Ocenaudio. First of all, open Ocenaudio and load the audio file you want to work with. You can do this by clicking on File, then Open and selecting your audio file. Once it loads, you will see the waveform displayed across the screen. Next, you need to select a part of the audio you want to loop. Just click and drag over the waveform to highlight the section you'd like to repeat. Make sure the selection is precise, especially if you are looping a specific bit or phrase. After making your selection, look at the top toolbar. You'll find a small loop icon that looks like two arrows forming a circle. Click on it once to enable looping. Now, hit the play button or press the spacebar on your keyboard. Ocenaudio will start playing your selected portion, and once it reaches the end, it will automatically jump back to the beginning and continue looping until you stop it manually. If you want to loop the entire audio instead of a selected section, just make sure nothing is selected and then activate the loop function. It will repeat the whole file instead of a small part. And that's it. Now you know how to loop playback in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.